There it is. That's the dome. Busy testing out signal for the drones at the moment. People are just testing from different areas. Oh. This is literally like the best thing ever. Cool, we just finished off with the dome at the moment. Some pretty crazy flying there, I won't lie. Someone brought like this helicopter thing out and goddamn is all I have to say. Just check these clips. What? But yeah, so yeah, pretty cool way to spend the evening. I think the event is going to be happening soon, so let's see how shit goes out. I'm pretty keen to see what the actual event looks like. Apparently they got some big plans, so yeah. Quick Victoria Yard session for some Ruta Manzi stuff today. Got Carl with us, showing him the place today. Yeah, hopefully a bit of a productive session. I've got some crazy bushes here. Such a dope little coffee shop inside Victoria Yard. If you like these videos, head over and subscribe to my channel, and also check out Ruta Manzi, where we're going to be doing some pretty cool stuff. Cool, back to the vlog. Came out here hanging curtains, getting the studio ready there. A little bit more? Yeah, there we go, that's perfect. So we have decided to move this desk from Sean's room into the studio.
Yeah, hold on, you had it.
What are we doing here?
Yeah.
We're busy making some music, hopefully. That's the plan, at least.
So why do we hear nothing?
session here at Sean's place. Set up the studio a little bit. Excuse the noise in the background. We set up the studio a little bit, had a little bit of a session. Actually managed to get a bit of a song out. So yeah, I'll probably be playing that over this. I'm not too sure. Yeah, I'm trying out a little bit of a different thing at the moment. I'm trying to like film as I do things throughout the week, because like a lot happens, and I'd like to kind of bring you guys in a little bit on what I do on a daily basis. And yeah, like I said, there's a couple of cool things coming up, so I want to get good at kind of tracking these things so that I can yeah, share it. I don't know what the fuck this thing is, but it's not right. Shame. His legs are falling off there.